I think the key to a healthy family is to stay active.
You know, we try to do our best to eat healthy and exercise, get fresh air outside.
You can't keep the kids in a bubble. I mean, trust me, I'm a mother. I would love to like wrap them in plastic and never let them go anywhere. But I can't.
We focus a lot on what we eat. I mean, we all exercise, but really more important than that is just knowing that I'm breathing really, really healthy air and that the kids are breathing really healthy air.
This is good stuff.
There's no one single solution for health, right? You have to make sure that you're eating right, sleeping well, making sure your stress levels are good. But there's that one thing that people often forget, that's the quality of your environment, the air that you breathe.